Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. Bonjour bandeko, soyez les bienvenus. Lelo no sala potangai. Potangai. Today I'll make some recipes, Congolese recipe, but I'm using here cornmeal flour, thin, yeah.
Fine.
Yeah, fine. That mean it's so too small. It's not coarse. It's fine. Yeah, corner meal. Fine. Eza mikuse skoyo. Eza masango ba niki sko eza mike. Eza sko niki neto nika la machine. Yango na osala recette ya ninyo. Ya nina na mai yawa. Na mai. This is a Congolese recipe, but if you want it, you can follow that. But when I'll make that, I'll use just water and then just my hand, and then I'll leave that like 3 days. I'll leave that in the kitchen, so cover that for 3 days, and then after 3 days, when I'll make that, you see it, and then when you taste that, it's a bit sour. You can make that. You can eat it with bread or pop, depend something like that. Yes, like breakfast. And then I'll make now, and then I'll leave that for 3 days. We call that the potangai, my language, Congolese, this recipe name, potangai, yangai, potangai. That means so delicious for breakfast. If you need for your breakfast, you can make it. I'll put here. No. But is my sango is that jaune, is that peme pindati? Is that moins jaune? Mais so il y a peme, il y a peme, is moins jaune qui mélanger quoi, il mon anet hier au mon. Jaune ma caste moi qui me super dans la sango dans peme, is that peme pindati. Quand ma boko ne te salango, mélanger ma boko et salangai. That recipe we making that you need to use just hand. You need to use hand. You need to use hand, no more water. Just cool water because you don't really cold. You can't use it cold. You touch it in your hand. Just when you leave that, like your first day, you bring that. You wash your hand and then you keep it just. Press and then you cover again. Second day, just you bring down and then you keep me touch, and then after it's coming 3 days, coming like sour, and then after when I will make it, you see it. De to sala ngobo bandeko ezaka ngaboko de kumsa ongai après jour moko obimisi on sukuma boko no fini ozipiam jour ami ba no fini sukuma boko no fini ozipiam ti 3 jours ou 4 jours boye attention lingi 5 jours kaka yo et mona ekomi ngai donc ekomi ngai non mélangeango. Ici na style sikona fini yango boy e style na ngo na otika ngo mon e na ngo normal mona tawa cha makasa mona de e mona mai te kanga makasa boy donc ils ont été les balles les makasa non ils en ont boy ça va na tiki yango boy na ozipango après on a 3 jours. I like when I make this recipe with pop. Wow, all bread, the best one with pop. Or bread. I like that my breakfast morning. More when I was sick, I like that. Now I'll use a plastic. I use plastic to cover. After 3 days, I'll take that plastic off, and then I'll get it my hand with my hand. Wash your hands, clean, and then keeping mix, and then you cover again just the second day, to make that sour. And then when I'll make that, you see it. I'll make that, you see. Donc, she's nice. Donc, il y a aussi Simba. Après 3 jours, après jour moro, il faut que vous chasser, au fini, au kangi sous chasse bombi ka bon je mi balé ka yango comme ça on gagne après bon moi on ça là donc confirmez ma kambu la recette oui vanda tout ça là. Merci beaucoup, à suivre. This is puff. If you like my puff, you know, go to my channel. You see the puff recipe. Oh, we cut in also là. Na putanga, you know, sinon là c'est bon. So lingi ba recette mikate que na chaîne au monde na 3 recettes mikate za na différents mikate eza na bandeko bokende botala bo partager Sikoto zongi après 3 jours après 3 jours to zongi pona poto faire ngai after 3 days we come back again that Congolese recipe potangai kona meal recipe for Congolese recipe. We come back 3 days. I say 3 days or 5 days, depend. Like now in Europe here now, sunning outside. If you look outside, it's sunning. That's why for me just 3 days. First day I wash my hand, I keep in touch. Second day, I did the same thing. Third day, I do the same thing. And then today, the third day. That's why now it's ready. Je à l'bosso na binisi na fini. Yami ba na binisi na fini. Yami sa tupe na fini. Yango le dans le 3e jour. Comme tout na tama ya moi quoi. Vous avez la no moi ndenge salia ouais. Show you outside sunning. You see outside sunning. Today is sunning here, England sunning. Di banda de so mo ndenge zali. Mo ipende zali. Mo ezali lo ipeza ki mo ezali. Ya mwana na neto olamba itufuma ibumete seka 3 jours. So ki tanga malili okosa na 5 jours. If like now it's sunning, you know my recipes do take long, just 3 days. Normally when it's cold time, it can be maybe 4 days or 5 days. But when it's summer, like nearly like summer like this, you know, just 3 days done. Sour. Ngai mogeza na ngai. Songo osimba ngai. Now it's here. This is my bag. That big bag outside like it. And then another bag to cover. Oh, bag na chaki yango. Oh, do sala rabine sika. Sala ki yango. Après, awa chasser sur na sika ki yango. No video nga moko ya na sa video nga moko. Yango yo. Let me open first. Piscina. Bo wende bini. Yango de bini. Yango essence boti mai. Bomoni. Komone sali. Yango yo. Isali elembi fe. Ila mzanga imoke zali a. Na osara ndambu musu na obomba na frigo. When I make some, not all, and then some I'll save that inside my fridge. Let me start. Natema amot na this hot water. Natema amot na hour. Na afi na mai moko na chair o ya moto tena chair ya no chela. Ni na mezi o sala o you mezi yo lingi yo sala. Yango yo sala. You know how much you want you can do. Like me I'll do some. Yeah. I'll add it here now inside the cup. Inside the cup. And then I'll mix. How much you want? I'll keep mix. un mélange après la sanguisson hein? And then I mix that inside my hot water. Now I need to keep this mix. You need to keep this mix, you know. Depend, because maybe this one is not much. Maybe I'll look the time how long it takes me and then I'll tell you when I finish the hand. So you keep just mix. Add more water. Now just remind me. If you look, it's so hard. You feel you think it's so hard. You can add some water. So mono ikuma kaso baksima itiko bela. Temana sele na ama moja chima moja toka na sale yango umela te. Yango umela te. So basu basala pima pio ka obani bana ma pio. You can start just show to cold water. Me, I like when I'm making I like it starting to hot water. That when you cook that is quick. When they come, just you keep mix. If you think it's hard, you add water. So when they come, I cut baximai, tea or money bela. Et où so tema to say la ma mote où mais là de moment de comment na baza suma ite tine na olongo lango après na tisuka na miliki après. Try this recipe so delicious. In my country Congo, you can use that for breakfast. If you pop I show you before, and then or before the bed, you know. Now it's ready. Bumune bimi. It's not working. My cast normal. Long. Et après quand ma cast normal, na tio suka de thé normal. Look. Sikotango emune bimwe so langa ipindi zubima. No cha sukan. Add sugar. Sugar how much you want. 1 spoon for me enough. And then here I have more powder. Nana milk dans celle-là. How much milk? How much you want? How much you want, guys? Yango yo. Okosa lona ndaku boy. Tout ça na poto awana ndenge tank échanger boye moi boy. Et ça n'aura 3 jours. Des mots échangés boye 3 jours linge pour la bible quand 4 jours mais ngade pour li bibe bien. O wana ko tetika nusu na la bon si ba mais et au bon moment ndenge ebima. O balo liango. Bune na balu séance ko ebeli. Da konto to sala ku ba tasu ko super ba sanpe potata ngai. Da was no ko so ni ko so mana kwa wana. Au moins ba chara milk te ki toro pekak. Bon au lieu de ko biso ni ko chene milk te karayo. You can add more powder or not. But thank you to everyone for your support. Thank you this Congolese recipe. Poto yangai. Merci bande ko bo partager poto ngai yango na mikate bo ni mikate ko na chaîne bo so mikate. Merci beaucoup. Bisous. Bye.